Okay guys, here we go, we're back again. See if we can get this other head off. Yeah, the crossover pipe, the V-band is in a really awkward spot on that side. So gotta jack the car up and have a crack at it. And then yeah, a few other little bits and pieces and go from there. Get the old trusty workbench.
You cannot feel this energy.
Drop.
Morning. No. So we'll start nice and early with a cold one this time, and it should be nice and cold.
Nothing any colder than was yesterday.
Yep, much better. CRG, your fucking design is fucked. Okay. Oh, just over here. Hopefully all the lifters are alright. Expensive little Humahas they are these days.
One eternity later.
Fuck you, V-band, I got you. That's a nightmare. Now we can rip this other head off. I'll just find the Allen keys. What do I do with my box for the rockers? Oh, something's peeing. The moment of truth. Crack it, Dan, let's have a look.
Stuck.
That'll be good then. I think this will be it. Need a bit more love? Or is it just...
Maybe just sit on here.
Is it just the...
Because it's the walls under it.
Yeah. No, it's stuck on a bit of goober there. Is it getting caught on that trans thing?
I can't, if I can grab hold of it, everything's greasy.
Ooh. Just look at the head. Just look at the head. Ah, oil. Well. Why is that not connected?
To the push down.
Yep. Oh. Old Rodney not fucking playing the game there anymore. That head looked pretty good. Oh, bit of movement in that one. All the lifters look alright on that side as well, so that's promising. Obviously we'll get them properly checked out. But yeah. LSX performance. At least we've got some heads that look all right.
There it goes.
What was that? Nut? The bolt?
There's a rod. The rod going into the thumb.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Just be careful because that bolt's in, that nut fell down in there, remember?
Or might have been the nut.
Yeah. Why that piston now move?
She's locking up now. That's as far as she's going. Rest of them moving now. All of them moving besides that one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, she's locking up.
Why you not move, you buddy? There, hey, you fucker. Hey, why you not move, you fucker? Yep. Fucking swamp thing again. Just disgustingly hot.
There's no rod left.
Stop pushing it all the way back down. Oh, Rodney is not playing the game in there anymore. Rodney has left the chat. The old headless block. Probably a blockless block. So apparently we got a little window to the sole down there. Oh, hello. Hello, internal components. I don't think you're supposed to be like that. So that's where the crank angle sensor goes. She's not there anymore. She's sitting on the dash. And that's the bit that it bolts to. The fucking bolt was a little bit too strong. Well, another couple of hours of sweating our firkin ring holes out. That'll do, I reckon, for now. Next step's getting the engine out, getting it stripped down. Hopefully we can salvage the cam and maybe the crank. And yeah, see how we go from there. Queensland summer, gotta love it. Not. Whew. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Check out some of the other videos. That latest rail racing video done really well with views. It's nearly at 7,000 now, which is pretty awesome. Don't know what's next. We'll just have to wait and see. But yeah, as I said in a couple of comments, I got a new gig, so the videos won't come as thick as they were, but hopefully just make sure the quality's there, other than these two where we're just fucking working on the H and drinking beer. It's not the most exciting thing, but yeah, cheers lads, we'll see you on the next one. If you made it this far guys, thank you very much for watching. Like I said, check out some of these other videos. The roll racing video, over 7,000 views, which is pretty spectacular for that little video. If you don't want to watch the whole thing, there's a couple of quick hit videos there that just go for a few minutes. Check them out. Thank you.